Hello everyone, I am Professor K. N. Vakchore, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Sanjeevani College of Engineering, Koparga. In this video, I will explain you how to use the Mech Analyzer software for the kinematic analysis of mechanisms using graphical method. In this graphical method, they have included relative velocity and the acceleration method and the instantaneous center rotation method in the Mech Analyzer software. How to use these two tools, velocity and acceleration analysis, using the relative velocity and acceleration method and the instantaneous center rotation method, that I will explain you in this video. Now to start with the velocity and acceleration analysis, first of all you need to again go to your folder which is that we have downloaded, that we have extracted. Just click on that Mech Analyzer v5. In that you will find these are the files, total 12 files. Again here you will find that Mech Analyzer application. See, to use the functionality of velocity and acceleration analysis, every time you need to open this application through this folder only. Don't copy this Mech Analyzer software anywhere. Every time that application should be in that folder only. Only after that you can see that different feature, that means velocity acceleration analysis, cam profile and the gear profiles. Now just double click on this Mech Analyzer. Again you will find that same window that I have explained earlier in the last video. You will find VAD means the velocity and acceleration analysis, IC means the instantaneous center rotation method, and SFA means the force analysis. This is for the cam profile and this is for the gear profile module. Now we are interested in the kinematic analysis using the relative velocity and acceleration method. For that you just need to click on this VAD IC SFA module. As you click, you will find this new window gets appeared. You will find this is the position, that means this is your configuration diagram, this is your velocity diagram and this is your acceleration diagram. Now here again you have the choices. You can select the 4-bar mechanism, slider crank mechanism, crank and slotted lever mechanism, weight for quick return mechanism. These are the mechanisms for which we can do this velocity and acceleration analysis. Okay, now I'll just select the slider crank mechanism. Just click on OK. Okay, this is the slider crank mechanism. If you want to change their lengths, suppose I want to make it 80. Okay, and just click on the draw. Okay, you can draw this. Next, that means it's get that dimension gets changed. If you want to add offset, again this AC distance that which generated automatically. We are interested in the crank length L2, which is the length of the connecting rod. Okay, again theta, that include that angle made by the crank with the IDC. I want to change that angle. Suppose I want to make that angle is of 110 degrees and just click on draw. This angle gets changed. Okay, now here you will find that theta. Now this is for the input parameter. If you want to change the input velocity, that means that crank velocity, this is of 10.5 rad per second. If I want to make it 20 rad per second. Okay, next, again if you want to give the varying speed, that means that crank rotates with the varying speed which is of 10 rad per second square. That means that angular acceleration of 2 rad per second square, 4 rad per second square, that you can define for. If you want to make it rotate with the uniform velocity, just put that input angular acceleration is equal to 0. Okay, and just click on the draw. Okay, now accordingly if you want to see the results, theta BC, if I want to measure this angle theta BC, angle made by the BC with the horizontal, that if you want to measure this angle, that you can measure, this is of 335. Omega BC, that means angular velocity of link BC, that you can measure, this is of 3.35 rad per second square. Alpha BC, that means angular acceleration of connecting rod. Next, velocity CB, velocity of C with respect to B, and acceleration of C with respect to B, that if you want to analyze this, which is in the mm per second. Again, if you want to see the linear velocity of the slider, that velocity of the slider which is of 1 comma, this is not the point, 1251.97 mm per second, and that acceleration which is of 22548.4 rad per second square. In this way you can find the that results. This is its velocity diagram and this is the acceleration diagram. Okay, now I want to see that simulation. Just click on the velocity. Here you will find its simulation. First of all, you need to draw one line which must be perpendicular to this AB. Next, you need to draw one line perpendicular to BC. And with that line color code, that means we are drawing this red line. That means the red line which is perpendicular to the connecting rod, and this horizontal line which is the along AC. Okay, this is for the slider. Now I want to draw the acceleration diagram. I want to see its simulation. How that step by step that acceleration diagram gets generated, that you can view using this. Just you need to click over here. Just click on that play button. You'll find that simulation. If you want to increase the speed, just increase the speed. In this way we can use this tool for to draw the velocity and the acceleration diagram. Here you can change their lengths. Okay, now I am interested in the crank and slotted lever mechanism. Just click OK. Here you will find their link lengths L1, L2. By the color code you can change that link lengths, color codes. L2 means that BC, L3 next that L4. These are the link lengths that you can find. Okay, next if you want to use some offset, that also you can define. Now I want to see its velocity diagram. Just click on the velocity diagram. Okay, in this way you can find out, you can draw that's its velocity diagram. Again you can draw its acceleration diagram. For that you need to click over here. In this way you can use this toolbar for the kinematic analysis of linkages using relative velocity and the relative acceleration method. Now I will explain you how to use the instantaneous center rotation module in the Mech Analyzer software. For this, just click on the IC module. In this IC module, first of all you need to select which type of mechanism you want, whether it is of 4-bar mechanism, slider crank mechanism, crank and slotted lever mechanism. Right now suppose I am interested in the 4-bar mechanism. Just click OK. Okay, here you can define the link lengths L1, L2, L3, L4. In this case please make sure that L1 which is the length of the crank and L4 which is the fixed link, L2 is the coupler, L3 is the output link. Okay, angle made by the crank with the input link which is the angle 1, and here you can define its that input velocity of the crank. Okay, just click on the draw. Now you will find that results over here, but if you want to see their simulation or the animation, just click on the play. This is the 4-bar mechanism. You are just joining 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. Okay, in this case we knows if it consists of the 4 number of links, that means there the total 6 number of ICRs. If we measure this 1 2 3 4 5 6 number of ICR, okay, If you want to see how they have drawn that ICR I13, for that just click on the I want to see I13 link 1 and link 3 and click on the turn. In this way you can find that how to, that means to join 1 3 you need to connect 1 to 2 and 2 to 3 and extend that line. Again you need to connect 1 4 and 3 4 and extend that line. These two are intersects at common point and that common point is the I13. In this way we can find that all the ICRs. Okay, now I am interested in the results. That omega 2 is known to us. This velocity, angular velocity is known to us. I am interested in this angular velocity. This angular velocity, which is of this omega 2, this is my link number 2, which angular velocity is of 1.28 rad per second. For this link, angular velocity is of 3.98 rad per second. I want to find out the velocity at that instance, which is of 89.83 mm per second, and for the velocity for this link 3, that means velocity at this instance, which is of 198.83 mm per second. In this way you can do, or you can use this IC module. Okay, suppose I'll again give one example. Crank and slotted lever mechanism. Just click OK. You'll find their link lengths that you need to define. Just click on the draw. I'll just click on play. These are the complete diagram, or how to locate that I1213, that simulation or that diagram will find over here. If I want to find how they are located I1 and I15, that I want to find out, just click on done. I15, 1445 and 1656. In this way you can locate that I15. In this way we can use this IC module for the that velocity analysis of mechanism. In this video we learned how to use that Mech Analyzer software for the kinematic analysis of the mechanism. In the next video we learn how to draw the cam profile using the Mech Analyzer software. Thank you for your patience listening. Thank you very much.